Hey guys, it's your boy Okina, and in this video I'm going to show you that I built a YouTube set as well as a gaming PC. Unfortunately, while extracting the data from the SD card, it did say the data was corrupted. It led me down a rabbit hole of extraction programs and a lot of money. Well, not too much, but a good amount. I was able to retrieve some of the videos, but not all of them, so that's what I'm going to show you here. I'm going to cramp them all together and speed up the time. So, with some YouTube magic, you'll wait till the end of the video for me to reveal my new YouTube set, because I still want to show y'all that, as well as the PC that I got in store. It's for my other channel, Oh Well Media, where I'm accepting donations for a lucky person to win this gaming PC. It's very respectable and very beautiful. So, stick through the Capri intro. I'm sorry for the misfortunate events that led up to this point, and I'll see you on the other side. So here it is. This is the set I was talking about, and I was really excited to show y'all. And then one might call this an optical diversion because I didn't do the whole room. I just did one part of it, and you'll see that later. This table was refinished, as you saw at the very beginning of the table video. My mistake. I have a little accent here with my figurine Froppy from My Hero Academia, one of my favorite characters. Some LEDs in the background, those can change different colors, but I wouldn't recommend ultraviolet or blue because those don't show up really well in videos anyways. I'm using the new camera I have, the DJI. It's a gimbal camera and costs around $700. You don't have to go that route, but I did because I also do action videos with my friends. Yeah, it's great. So let me talk about this PC. I have to pull up all the information. It is a lot. It has Windows 10 Pro. It has a GeForce GTX 980 Super Clocked Edition, B350M Gaming Pro motherboard, 16 gigabytes of 3000 megahertz gaming RAM, a 10 terabyte hard disk drive. That means that's the one that has the metal disc in it, but it's for your games on the startup. And that's like 10 terabytes. You can fit any game on there. You can fit multiple games on there. You can fit 20 versions of Call of Duty Cold War on there. And you know how big those files are. So that is just for your games or your other files or pictures or anything. You can even use this as a server, maybe even a mining machine. And a 250 gigabyte solid state drive for your Windows. And that's how you start up fast, with the solid state drive. And then you use the hard disk drive for your video games. It has a Wi-Fi 6 Bluetooth card, which can be used to link up your controllers. It links up with PlayStation controllers, any Bluetooth controller out there, as well as your Xbox controllers. It links up with your phone as well. And any other Bluetooth device. Let's say you're throwing a party and you want to hook up your computer to a Bluetooth speaker, you can do that. And an RGB controller. It comes with a little remote, so when you turn on your computer, you can choose what type of RGBs you want to do. And I guess I'll show you a little bit near the end of the video when it's cutting out on how it looks. But yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna go and show you the whole set now, and you're gonna kind of be like, whoa, that's what he's shooting on? It's gonna be a little great. So let's go ahead and check it out. Oh, and this isn't the chair I'm actually using. I do have a gaming chair that I'm gonna use for this set, or I might just buy a new one later on. So, this is the set right here. Basically, it's my dining room. Here's the table, and it looks pretty damn good if I say so myself. And here's what I said, it can change colors, but ultraviolet doesn't show that good on camera, so I wouldn't really recommend it. So we're sticking with the red for now. Green also shows out pretty good, and these are the lights that I'm using. These are by Newer. These lights were about $350, and they're the Pro version, so you don't get any flickering on the camera. And this is the actual stand I'm using for my camera. It's a close range lens on this camera that I'm using, so I have to have the camera stand pretty close, or I can change that in Premiere Pro. But not too bad. It's a huge difference from what you actually see on camera versus what I see around me when I'm shooting my videos. Fairly simple. Look, I didn't even go all the way up on the installation foam or all the way down, but you don't need to go all the way down because you have your table to block the view. It's great. And if you want to know how to resurface a table, there is a Japanese style sitting table video that you can go and check out, and I cover that all the way through. So that's it. It's your boy Okina, and I'll see you on the next video. Be on the lookout. I'm gonna be opening Pokemon cards. And don't think I forgot about showing you the lighting on this computer. Would you look at that? It's a very beautiful PC. It looks a little blurry right now because I'm waiting for whoever I give this away to peel off the plastic wrap. It's a very satisfying experience, and I wouldn't want to take that away from anyone. Alright, well, I'm out. Enjoy the ending of the video, Maybe click on a few of these videos that you see somewhere around here. Thanks for watching. Leave me a comment down below, subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, it really helps me push out stuff.